everyone. We are back with Glenn Velvet Reviews today. And I showed you I got this cabinet. I got this from Ikea. I don't even know. They probably do sell this. They sold this for a while. But you know how Ikea sells stuff for like a year or sometimes it's a couple of years. But this being white, it looks pretty standard. If you notice what Ikea, the standard stuff they'll have forever, like that mound drawer or, you know, certain things they have forever because they're just top sellers and I guess they're simple, budget-friendly, easy, you know, whatever. But so what I got was I got this for the fish tank. I already filled up this with water. I did a whole test and this thing easily was holding this filled up with water and then some weight. I put on I think like 1,000 or 1,200 pounds on this and it was perfect. I mean, yeah, if it gets wet, this thing's gonna break and fall apart. But what I did was for the fish tank though, I don't know if I did this on video or not, but I did put 2x4s in the back and I did structurally secure this a little bit better than you know, what it came, you know, what it was originally, because I doubt at Ikea they were like, someone's gonna put 1,000 pounds on top of it, you know what I mean? So but anyway, I'm going to do an installation on these, on the blanket. I'm not sure if they sell these, but these ones I think are really cool. And even if not, they probably have ones that are similar to this and they're the same exact installation method, or they look something similar. And this is the color. All right. These are just leftover ones because that's what I do recommend as well. If you are getting stuff, and that's with anything in life though. I mean, if you're getting tile, if you're getting this kind of stuff, and you know maybe in a couple of years they're gonna change out the design, you know what I mean? Whatever, buy extra. You know, this was $5 or $6. I got 2 extra. So now, if anything breaks on anything, because I have this throughout the entire kitchen, even though my kitchen is like, you know, the size of someone's bathroom. But anyway, I still have a bunch of these around my kitchen, all right? And it's nice to have leftovers. And this is my leftovers that I'm using, and I get to use it for here, which is great. But this is the design that they use. I really like it. See, it's like an aluminum kind of design right here. I put them on over here, these ones, see? Because I noticed this cabinet, if you're going to buy it, it's a little difficult to get into it without handles. Yes, you don't have to buy handles if you don't want to, but grabbing onto this or trying to open up this is a real pain in the butt. So, and there's no designated place to put it. You could put it on the end, you could put it here, you could put it here, you could put it anywhere you want. You could even put it in the middle if you want, but I wouldn't put it in the middle because the leverage would be too hard to open. Alright, well, you're going to want to center line this, okay? I'm not, you know, I don't know how you are, but I'm a Virgo and I have a problem. And I'm going to want to center line this. So we got 24 3/4 pretty much, alright? So what's that going to be? That's going to be a little shy of 12. So this is 24, this is 23 7/8 is the size of my drawer, 23 7/8. There's a washable marker. I would use washable or a pencil, all right, something you can get off easy. But that's my center, all right. Then you're going to want to put your center on here. That'd be cool. Ikea should do that on their handles. They should automatically notch out the center on the bottom, you know? That would be really helpful. I know it would cost them like, you know, a half of a penny to do that. And then, you know, times thousands, they don't want to spend the extra $5 or, you know, how it works. I know, whatever, business. But anyway, that'd be really cool if they put a notch on here, right, guys, for the center, because you're always centering this with something, right? So to know where the center is instead of me playing around measuring it would have been great, but whatever. You're going to want to make the center line on this, all right, and then there. And then you can match up, see? Now I can put this on. Boom. And that's my center line. Mark where I'm going to put my screw holes. Now, the easiest way to do this would be a drill, but everyone doesn't have a drill in their house to do that, all right? So I don't, you know, I don't have another drill. Now, these are the screws that they do give you. They are a little weird because they're not made in our thing, but they are pretty sharp, so they should go in easily. I already marked my holes. If you don't want to hold the handle, it's a little bit easier to do this instead of, you know, and then you just do like a little pre-drill right in the center. All right, done. Wiped it off and we're good to go. Let's close it up. There we go. See? That's how it's going to look. That's what it's about. Oh, I got to tighten that a little bit. Alright, there we go. Now that's better. Alright, now it's good. Look at that. Mine's a little tight, like I said, because I put the 2x4s to make mine a little bit stronger. Yours is not going to be. Yours is going to go in. Mine was going in nice and smooth before I put all the 2x4s on it. But that's the outcome of it. See, with the 3 right there, it looks pretty nice. I did put them on my kitchen cabinets and stuff, but this is what it looks like with the white and pretty much what's up. But I think it looks pretty cool. It's a little bit of touch of modern, but not too crazy, right? You know what I mean? So that is it for Glen Velvet reviews on a little installation of the blanket. The blanket accessories that I got from Ikea, especially for this Ikea cabinet. This is what it looks like. I wanted to show you guys. I didn't really see too many videos on YouTube about this stuff, and probably because, like I said, they probably swap out their designs a lot or whatever. But no matter what, the installation is going to be the same. You're going to want to center it and stuff like that, and make sure you have it lined up so it looks kind of pretty. All right, but it was pretty simple, easy. Anyone can do it. You don't need any serious tools. Quick screwdriver took care of it, and that was it. All right. But if you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I try to put up stuff to help out the community, just like I get help from the community. And if you can, unless you dislike me for any reason, you can click the affiliate links below to support the channel. Somehow, some way, times a million, it equals up into something. But from what I saw, there are other ways to support the channel on YouTube, which is really cool. And if you do decide to support the channel, please make sure you check back to the channel, see that I'm putting that support back into the channel, getting more stuff to review, doing updates on the reviews, and also answering questions to my subscribers, helping them out on items that I did review, or situations that they have. All right, but anyway, enjoy. Glen Velvet Reviews is out. Bye bye.